you crying?
Because I miss Santa.
You miss Santa?
Yeah.
Look at mommy. But it's not Christmas yet.
Yeah, I know, Mommy, I know.
Look. Don't cry. It's okay. Santa's coming soon.
Yeah, I know. Santa's coming soon. But Santa's want to make all us. He made a house and we can't have the toys and make it. No more kidding, you made it. It's Santa's never cares for everybody.
Amy. Look, Amy. It's okay. Santa's coming soon.
Yeah, I know.
And you're on the nice list. You're on the nice list. You're not on the naughty list. Not the naughty list. You're on the nice list.
Yeah, I know.
But look. Are you gonna go to sleep now?
No,
Why not?
because I can't. But Santa
Santa
misses me.
misses you?
Yes!
It's okay, baby. Santa, look. It's okay. We'll see Santa soon. Okay?
Yes, oh yes!
Alright. Okay, but it's time to sleep now, okay?
I'm not sleeping!
But it's late.
I'm not.
But you're tired. But why are you crying still?
Because I'm a Santa.
But Santa's coming soon. Let's see. Let me see that picture. Look at that. It's Amy with Santa.
And my brother Ryan too.
And your brother Ryan.
And me too. But I'm a Santa.
It's okay.